Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a nostalgic trip back to the late 1950s, an era of chrome, fins, and pure American style. Our star of the day is the stunning 1958 Pontiac Parisienne, a rare gem from the golden age of automotive design. So buckle up, because this one's all about elegance, power, and timeless craftsmanship. Exterior. The 1958 Pontiac Parisienne was Pontiac's top-of-the-line model in Canada, built on a Chevrolet chassis but wrapped in Pontiac's distinctive luxury styling. Just look at that design, it's a rolling piece of art. The front grille stretches wide, framed by dual headlamps on each side, giving it that commanding road presence that defined the late 50s. The chrome detailing is everywhere, from the bold bumper to the intricate side moldings and tail fins that sweep gracefully toward the back. Those jet-inspired taillights are pure Americana, even though the car was Canadian-built. And the two-tone paint scheme screams sophistication. Every curve and crease was designed to turn heads, and even today, the Parisienne holds its own among the most beautiful classics of the decade. The badging is elegant and proud, the Parisienne script glistening across the rear fenders, hinting at the European flair Pontiac was going for. Wide whitewall tires and full chrome hubcaps add the finishing touch to this luxury cruiser's commanding look. Interior. Or now step inside, and it's like entering a time capsule. The interior of the 1958 Pontiac Parisienne is a blend of comfort, luxury, and 1950s glamour. You're greeted by a beautifully sculpted dashboard, finished in brushed aluminum and chrome accents. The steering wheel, large and thin, features the classic Pontiac emblem at the center. The seats are upholstered in rich vinyl and cloth, offering that plush bench-style comfort that was perfect for long highway cruises. The instrument cluster is elegant, symmetrical, and glowing with that warm vintage light. Everything from the radio knobs to the chrome ashtrays feels premium and carefully crafted. Back then, cars weren't just built, they were designed to impress. Performance. Under the hood, the 1958 Pontiac Parisienne typically came with a 283 cubic inch V8 engine, borrowed from Chevrolet but tuned to deliver smooth and reliable power. It produced around 185 to 230 horsepower, depending on the configuration, giving this full-size cruiser enough muscle for confident highway driving. Paired with either a Powerglide automatic or a 3-speed manual transmission, the Parisienne offered a balanced mix of performance and comfort. It wasn't a sports car, but it glided down the road effortlessly, soaking up bumps with its soft suspension and delivering a smooth, quiet ride. The handling was classic 50s, soft steering, gentle brakes, and a floaty feel that reminds you this was a car built for cruising, not corner carving. But on the open road, with the V8 humming under the hood, it feels absolutely majestic. The 1958 Pontiac Parisienne is more than just a car. It's a symbol of an era when design, luxury, and personality truly mattered. It was the Canadian expression of American automotive excellence, stylish, comfortable, and full of presence. Today, it stands as a rare and cherished collector's piece, admired by enthusiasts for its beauty, craftsmanship, and nostalgic charm. If you ever come across one of these classic Pontiacs, take a moment to appreciate what it represents, the artistry of an age gone by. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1958 Pontiac Parisienne, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more classic car stories from automotive history. Until next time, keep those engines running and your passion for classics alive.